jelly star field. Everything is so squishy. I see J, K, and L. Let's bounce! Dino-tastic, let's go! Bounce, bounce, bounce on a jelly star. Leo is driving his flying space car. A huge 3D J's wiggling like a snake. Slurp, 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 what a sound they make! Oh, J's for juice, a giant glowing cup. K is for kangaroo, jumping way high up. L is for lion, a majestic 3D king. Leo and the letters make the galaxy sing. Ding, 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 the radar spots a prize. The giant 3D K is right before our eyes. The fluffy 3D L is softer than a cloud. Leo is so happy and he says it out loud. Oh, J's for juice, a giant glowing cup. K is for kangaroo, jumping way high up. M is for lion, a majestic 3D king. Leo and the letters make the galaxy sing. Amazing jumps! J, K, and L are in the ship! Let's soar to the giant cosmic rings! Look at those giant rings! They are made of cosmic dust and letters! M, and O! Let's catch them! Dino-tastic! Let's go! Spin, spin, spin around the giant ring. Leo reaches out with a magical string. A fuzzy 3D M is floating near a rock. Tick tock, tick goes the cosmic clock. Oh, and it's for monkey swinging on a star. And it's for nest glowing from afar. Oh, it's for octopus with 8 giant 3D arms. Leo is exploring with his Dino Boy charms. Chug, 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 the UFO goes fast. The glowing 3DN is flying right past. A bubbly 3DO is bouncing like a ball. Leo the Dino Boy is going to catch them all. Oh, and it's for monkeys swinging on a star. And it's for nest glowing from afar. Oh, it's for octopus with 8 giant 3D arms. Leo is exploring with his Dino Boy charms. We are doing great. M, N, and O are safe. Rev up the engines. A rocket race is next. Vroom, vroom. It's a space race. Let's catch P, Q, R, and S before they zoom away. Dino-tastic. Let's go. Zoom. As zoom, zoom, the rocket engine roars. Rio is flying through the galaxy doors. A shiny 3D P is racing like a jet. Whoosh, 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 it's the fastest letter yet. O, P is for penguin, sliding on the ice. Q is for queen, looking 3D nice. R is for rabbit, hop into the moon. S is for sun, shining like a big balloon. Zap, 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 the laser beam is bright. The giant 3D Q is a beautiful sight. Grab the bouncy R and the glowing jelly is. Leo loves the alphabet, he really is the best. O, P is for penguin, sliding on the ice. Q is for queen, looking 3D nice. R is for rabbit, hopping to the moon. S is for sun, shining like a big balloon. What a fast race! P, Q, R, and S. We are almost done. The Supernova celebration is here! O, P zebra. The last letters T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z are having a plastic Dino-tastic. Let's go! Dance, 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 the supernova glows. Leo is dancing on his tiny little toes. A massive 3D is drumming to the beat. Tap, tap, tap with its giant 3D feet. O-T-U-V, watch it in the sky. W-X-Y, watch them fly so high. Z is for zebra with huge 3D stripes. Leo rescued all the letters, all different types. Yay, 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 the alphabet is done. Leo and his UFO had so much fun. The letters all transform into giant magical toys for all the super smart